Setting up Flutter in Visual Studio Code involves a few steps. Install Flutter SDK. Download. Visit the Flutter website and download the Flutter SDK. Extract. Extract the downloaded file to a suitable location. Add to path. Add the Flutter bin directory to your system path to access Flutter commands globally. Install Visual Studio Code. Download. Download and install VS Code from the official website. Install Flutter and Dart extensions. Open VS Code. Launch Visual Studio Code. Extensions. Go to the Extensions view by clicking the Extensions icon or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Search. Search for Flutter and Dart extensions and install both. These extensions provide support for Flutter development, including debugging, code completion, and more. Create a new Flutter project. Open Terminal. Open a new terminal in VS Code. Run command. Execute Flutter create my app to create a new Flutter project named my app. Open project. Navigate to the project directory and open it in VS Code. Run your app. Connect device. Ensure a physical device or emulator is connected and running. Run command. Use the command Flutter run in the terminal to start your app.